Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayla, and I'm going to show y'all 3 types of backflips. First one is this. That one. And then this. Oh, it's gonna like be this. The 2 of them are gonna be the same. It's something. Well, so basically, what I'm with the 3 backflips are landing
Without jumping.
Yeah, without jumping.
A backflip without jumping, and then a backflip with jumping, and then the third one is a backflip landing it.
Yes. I'm gonna start over. But I'm not gonna do one, Mommy.
You didn't land it.
No, I said no. The one that I had to jump and then land.
Okay.
That's the one. And now I have to jump and then I'm not gonna land. The next one I'm gonna land.
Good job.
My turn. If you're a beginner, this is how you should start. This. Oh, like this.
So land on your back first. Practice landing on your back.
That?
Straight back, yes. And then second, you could try doing a backflip by landing on your back and then flipping over. So show them.
I know. Wait.
Like that.
My name is Amaya, and I'm going to try to do a backflip.
Good job.
Okay. You want me to try to do one with standing up?
Yeah, landing, yeah.
Oh, that was close.
Go ahead and try to land again. Oh, close. Oh, you just gotta keep practicing.
In the next video, bye.